Language in SAND Raiders of Sophie. 1. Launch the game. Open Steam. Start SAND Raiders of Sophie. Wait for the main menu to load. Ensure the game is fully updated. Proceed to the Settings menu. Open Settings. From the main menu, click Settings. Open the General tab. Look for Language options. Open the Language menu. 3. Select your preferred language. Click the Language drop-down. Browse available languages. Select your desired language. Confirm your selection. Wait for the change to apply. 4. Save the changes. Click Apply. Select Save Settings. Return to the main menu. Verify the language has changed. Continue playing. 5. Restart the game. Exit SAND. Raiders of Sophie, close Steam completely. Launch the game again. Check if the selected language remains active. Confirm the change was saved. Number 6. Change language through Steam. Open Steam Library, right-click SAND, Raiders of Sophie, select Properties, open the General tab, locate the Language section, choose your preferred language, restart Steam. Number 7. Verify game files. Open Steam Library, right-click the game, select Properties, click Installed Files, select Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for verification to complete. Launch the game again. Number 8. Update the game. Open Steam, check for available updates, download and install updates, restart Steam, launch the game, check language options again. 9. Change Windows display language. Open Settings. Go to Time and Language, select Language and Region, change your preferred display language, restart your PC. Launch the game again. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall SAND, Raiders of Sophie, restart your PC, reinstall the game through Steam, launch the game, select your preferred language, verify the changes saved.